Hello dear students, welcome back. So let us continue the problems of finding the fog and gop of a function, that is on the composition of two functions. Okay, so let us see the question. The question is, show that if f from r minus 7 by 5 to the r minus 3 by 5, f is a function from r minus 7 by 5 to the r minus 3 by 5 is defined by f of x equal to the 3x plus 4 upon 5x minus 7, and one more function is defined, that is function z. Z is from r minus 3 by 5 to the r minus 7 by 5 is defined by z of x equal to the 7x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 3. So then fog equal to identity function IA and gop equal to the IB. We have to show fog equal to the IA and gop equal to the IB. What is IA and IB? See here, where A is the r minus 7 by r minus 3 by 5 and B is r minus 7 by 5. IA is IA of x equal to the x. For all x belongs to the identity function. IA anything but identity function, and IB equal to the x for all x belongs to the B are called identity function on the set A and B. So understand the question properly. IA and IB are the identity function on the set A and B. So our job is to find the fog equal to the IA and gop equal to the IB. Okay, so already we are familiar with the finding the fog and gop of a function. So in the same way, proceed solution. So just see why they given r minus 7 by 5. Okay, that is to the r minus 3 by 5. Suppose if I put x equal to the 3 by 5 in the function, in this function z equal to the, that becomes 7x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 3 is the function. If I put x equal to the 3 by 5, 7x plus 4 divided by 5 into 3 by 5 minus 3. 5 get cancelled. 3 minus 3 is 0. So anything upon 0 is the not defined. Means it is an undefined function. Okay. Therefore, they exclude 7 by 5 and 3 by 5 from the domain and codomain. Okay. So the functions f of x and z of x are not defined at the point 7 by 5 and 3 by 5. So now find the fog. First, fog of x equal to the f of z of x according to the definition of composition function. Fog of x equal to the f of z of x. This is equal to the, so this is equal to the f. What is z of x? Z of x is 7x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 3. 7x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 3. Right? So now this is f of x. F of this is entire is x. So put this x in the function f of x. In the place 3x, 5x. Wherever x is there, in that place put this x. This is our f of x, right? So this is equal to 3 into x. X is, this is our x now. 7x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 3. Plus 4 is there, right? Plus 4 divided by 5 into x. X is less. 7x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 3 minus 7. Minus 7. This is equal to the, so this will become the LCM on the numerator and denominator. 3 into 7x plus 4 3 into 7x plus 4 plus 4 into this will multiply with the 4 5x minus 3 5x minus 3 whole divided by 5x minus 3 5x minus 3. Now come to the denominator. So see the denominator here also 5x minus 3. This will become the LCM and multiply to the 7. So 5 into 7x plus 4 7x plus 4 minus 7 into the 5x minus 3 5x minus 3 whole divided by 5x minus 3. So this is equal to the it's all here. Cancel this 5x minus 3 5x minus 3. So we have the same on the numerator and denominator. So we cancel both the terms now. 3 into 7 21x 3 into 4 plus 12 4 into 5 plus 20x then 4 into minus 3 minus 12 whole divided by 5 into 7 35x 5 into 4 plus 20 7 into 5 minus 35x. So minus 7 into minus 3 plus 21. So now see here in the numerator plus 12 minus 12 will get cancelled. In the denominator 35x minus 35x will get cancelled. 21x plus 20x is 41x whole divided by 20 into 21 is 41. Right? To cancel 41 and 41 remaining is x. Therefore log of x equal to the x. Therefore log of x equal to the x for all x belongs to the a. Right? So therefore log equal to the identity function of a. So is an identity function. Log equal to the ia. So where ia is the identity function of the set a. Right? Now so let us see the form is completed now. Gof g of f of x g of f of x is equal to the f of x is f of x. See the f of x 3x plus 4 divided by 3x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 7 5x minus 7. So this is our x now. G of x put in the g of x equal to 7x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 3. So in the place of x put the star. Right? This is equal to the 7 into x is 3x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 7 plus 4 whole divided by 5 into x is 3x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 7 minus 7. So this is equal to 7 into 3x plus 4 into LCM 5x minus 7 whole divided by 5x minus 7 whole divided by 5 into 3x plus 4 minus 7 into 5x minus 7 is the LCM 5x minus 7 whole divided by 5x minus 7. So now cancel the term 5x minus 7 on the both side. Multiply now 7 into 3 21x 7 into 4 plus 28 4 into 5 this is 20x. Right? 4 into 7 minus 28 whole divided by 5 into 3 15x 5 into 4 plus 20, then 7 into 5 minus 35x, so 7 7 are 49 plus 49, so this is equal to 3x plus 4, 5x minus 3 is there, 5x minus 3. So the function z f of x is 3x plus 4, 5x minus 7. This is 3. Sorry, 3. Now 3. This will become c. Now 15x plus 20 minus 15x plus 21, right? In the numerator, plus 28 minus 28 will get cancelled. In the denominator, 15x minus 15x will get cancelled. 21x plus 20x is 41x, all divided by 20 plus 21 is 41. 41 get cancelled, so remaining is golf of x equal to x. For all x belongs to b, x belongs to b. Therefore, golf equal to ib, where ib is the identity function on the set D. So they said to find the fog and golf. So we have proved very simple process. Okay. So this is very important. Fog and finding the fog and golf. We'll see this in the while solving the 5 marks question on the relation concept. So we will use the fog and golf method there while solving the 5 mark questions. So fog will carry 2 marks and golf will carry 2 marks. Therefore, these are the very important concepts, finding the fog and golf. Okay, right. Let's see the next question. If f of x equal to x plus 7 and z of x equal to x minus 7, for all x belongs to R, find fog 7. We have to find fog of 7. So let us see solution. So first write the given f of x equal to x plus 7, z of x equal to x minus 7. Fog of 7 equal to f of z of 7, right? So what is z of 7? Z of x equal to x minus 7. Z of 7 equal to 7 minus 7. ಈ x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 7 put ಮಾಡಿ 7 minus 7. This is equal to f of 0, right? f of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ x plus 7 ಅದ, f of 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 0 put ಮಾಡಿ. This is equal to 0 plus 7 equal to 7. So ಹಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು fog of 7 equal to 7, right? Very simple question. Next, if f from R to R and z from R to R two functions defined by f of x equal to sin x and z of x equal to x square, for all x belongs to R, show that fog is not equal to golf. ಅಂದ್ರೆ fog ಮತ್ತು golf ಯಾಕೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, they are not equal ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು, right? Solution, f of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದ sin x, f of x equal to sin x, g of x equal to x square, right? So first fog of x equal to f of g of x, g of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ x square, right? ಇದು f of x ನಮಗೆ, f of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ sin x, this is equal to sin x square. f of x square is sin x square. Now golf of x equal to g of f of x. ಹೌದಾ f of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? f of x is sin x. f of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin x. So what is g of sin x? g of x. g of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ x square. ಇದು ನಮ್ದು ಎಂಟೈರ್ x. Therefore sin x whole square. So ನೋಡ್ರಿ sin x square different than sin x whole square. So we have to enter they are different. Log of x equal to sin x square, log of x equal to sin x whole square, right? So therefore log of x is not equal to log of x. So we have shown that log of x is not equal to the log of ex, right? Okay. Okay, see here students, f from r to r given by f of x equal to 3 minus x cube bracket raised to 1 by 3. Okay, find log of x. We have to find log of x, right? So important question, already asked for 2 marks in the 2015 annual examination. Okay, solution. Another question, f of x equal to 3 minus x cube bracket raised to 1 by 3, right? F of x equal to f of x. Now f of x equal to f of x. This is equal to f of x is 3 minus x cube raised to 1 by 3, right? Is equal to, so ನೋಡ್ರಿ f of x ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈ x ಅನ್ನ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. This is our x now. f of x equal to 3 minus x cube raised to 1 by 3 ಅದ. ಇದು x ನಮಗೆ f of x. ಇದು ನೋಡಿ x ಅನ್ನು ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, right? 3 minus x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ 3 minus x cube raised to 1 by 3. ಏನು ಬರೀ x ಬರ್ತದೆ ಈಗ, x cube ಅದ, cube complete. ಸೊ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ raised to 1 by 3. ನೋಡ್ರಿ 3x cube, one second, x whole cube. So alright, this is our x input madini whole cube raised to 1 by 3. Now nodri ivaga 1 by 3 cancel agtava first step naga. This is equal to 3 minus 3 x cube power 1 by 3 is equal to 3 minus 3 minus into minus plus x cube power 1 by 3. 3 minus 3 cancel out. This is equal to x cube power 1 by 3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 1 by 3 cancel out. This is equal to ex. So f of x equal to ex, right? Very important question. Okay, so ನೋಡ್ರಿ f of x equal to x ಬರ್ತದ, log of x equal to x ಬರ್ತದ. Suppose sorry, f of x equal to x, log of x equal to x or log of y equal to y. So ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, f of x put ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we get the same identity function ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ. ಈ f ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ f y ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ y ಬರ್ತದ, ರೈಟ್? ಆಮೇಲೆ g composition g of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ಬರ್ತದೆ, g composition g of y ಅಂದ್ರೆ y, right? So composition itself, composition of a function itself ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ, so function in terms of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ಬರ್ತದೆ, in terms of y ಅಂದ್ರೆ y ಬರ್ತದೆ, right? So that is the one major thing in this question we have to observe, right? So very important example. Okay, so Dear students, I will continue the remaining problems in the next class.